Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Young Roots. We are doing our alternative series, alternative spelling series. We have done A, I, O, U, Oi. Yes, we have done the long sounds of these vowels, and today we are going to do our OR series of alternative spellings. Do you remember, kids? The E or E or yes, we've done this before. We have various alternative spelling for this digraph. The first alternative is the or sound itself. We've done this before on our digraph series. I will share you the link in my description box. We will only revise. Or for or the Lord or you say for fork. No, you say fork. This is an exception when you say or for or fork. Again, on this or you don't say do you want to have tea or coffee. You say do you want to have tea or coffee. Or you only say or. Right. This is the first alternative for the digraph OR. The second alternative for the same digraph OR makes the O sound. So whenever AL comes together, you have to say the O sound. For example, O, L, all. O, L, all. Next one, H, O, L, hall. You sit in hall. All family members sit in hall and have a great time. Then B, O, L, ball. You need a ball for your match, cricket match. W, O, L, wall. This is a wall. T, O, L, tall. Tall, short. Tall, short. O, L, small. Small, big. Small, big. So could you hear the O sound in AL also? Yes, this was the second alternative for OR. Yes, which makes the O sound. Now the third one. AW, when they are together, it also makes the O sound. For example, S, O, saw. I saw you in the garden. Saw. P, O, paw is foot of an animal. For example, dog foot or a cat foot. You call them a paw or paw. Then jaw or jaw. This is your jaw. L or lawn. A area where there are grasses grown. Usually you see that area in gardens where there are a lot of grasses grown. L or lawn. D r o draw. I like to draw. St r o straw. Can I drink sugarcane juice with a straw? Yes. P r o no prawn. It's a small fish. Kra ka r o l crawl. Small babies takes the first step as crawling. They don't start walking directly. They crawl with their 4 feet, 2 feet and 2 hands. Kla ka l o claw. Claws are your long nails which animal has. Yes, so this was the alternative sound of O. A W. Now we come to the fourth alternative spelling, that is AU. That also makes the O sound. Yes, so we have words like O, L, T. Fault. You see, it's not my fault. They've got by mistakenly done. You say fault. devils. So you see that place is haunted. So haunt. Right. Now next one is an exception where you say cause, and this is your magic E word which doesn't make it sounds. It gives the sound to this place where it says the O sound. Pause. Again, E is a magic E where it doesn't make it sound. Yes, so these were the alternatives for the digraph or sounds where you saw various alternatives making the O sound. So when you introduce this to your babies, don't introduce them in first one day. Keep a break of 1-2 days and then keep introducing the alternative sounds. These alternative sounds would be difficult for them to catch in one go. So whenever you take a dictation, you say which O to use. Should they use AU wala O or should they use OR wala O? So you give them which alternative they should use, and gradually by practicing, by reading, they will understand which alternative to use at the right time. Thank you. Keep viewing these videos and keep practicing with your kids. Any more challenges if you're facing, let me know in the comment section. See you. Bye.